Super excited for this one today. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 model has arrived, and I cannot wait to unbox it here. Looks like I got the hot pink model, bringing back all the memories of the early Razr days. At retail, this is about $1,000, but Motorola is currently selling this for $100 off, and I've seen a handful of other promotions from Best Buy, Amazon, and select carriers. All right, well, let's slice open this box and get right into it. So, uncovering the box, you're immediately greeted with the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, some documentation, and a nice friendly reminder that this is plastic-free packaging, so nice to see from Motorola. And of course, being a, well, flip foldable, it will note not to remove the installed plastic screen protector that comes on the actual device, so just note, do not remove that, as that will potentially damage the device. The Motorola Moto Razr Plus 2024 has a modern design with a sturdy build. The prominent external display is highly functional, allowing users to perform many tasks without unfolding the phone. The Razr Plus now features a durable Gorilla Glass Victus display. It also has an IPX8 rated underwater protection, ensuring durability even if submerged. While the dust resistance isn't included in the IPX rating, Motorola has improved the hinge design to better prevent dust compared to previous Razr models. The main 6.9-inch POLED display has a refresh rate of 165 Hz, offering an immersive experience for content consumption and gaming. This device is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset and 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Razr Plus ensures smooth gaming and multitasking. This model also has a 4,000 mAh battery for longer life and efficient power management, promising a full charge in about 12 minutes with the Turbo Power 45-watt charging, though that charger is sold separately and unfortunately not included in the box. If needed, it also supports 15-watt wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wireless charging for charging other devices. Battery performance will be tested in my full review, of course. There's a new and improved camera setup that I'm excited to test out. However, it's a bit disappointing that the ultra-wide lens is missing on this pricier Razr Plus compared to the cheaper Razr model this year. As a flip phone, you can easily flip and fold it to record yourself in the trendy camcorder mode, or use the primary cameras to capture excellent selfie photos. So over the years, I've enjoyed many of Motorola's devices, particularly the Razr. However, Motorola's track record for timely software updates lags behind many Android competitors. This leaves me wanting more in terms of long-term device use. I'll monitor how the Razr Plus holds up with the current software and note any updates in my full review. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 is a great choice for those looking for a stylish, innovative foldable phone with a large, fully functional cover display, impressive performance, and enhanced camera capabilities. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limited warranty support and service options for repairs or replacements, as well as the company's less than stellar track record for software updates. Overall, it's an appealing choice for tech enthusiasts who appreciate cutting-edge design and functionality, along with the nostalgic charm of the Razr series. Additionally, it's an excellent option for those seeking a smaller, more pocketable device. As to how the Moto Razr Plus 2024 lives up to all the above, I'm excited to test it all out and provide a full review. Let me know in the comments down below what questions you have about the Razr Plus or any specific aspects you'd like me to cover in that review. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.